Hello guys, Igor here doing one more AppSumo review, and today we're gonna analyze Robot Alp, a tool that claims to monitor all your online service to be the first to know about downtime and other issues. It's an alternative to Uptime Robot and Status Cake. Robot Alp is a site monitoring suite for key indicators like uptime, page speed, and safe browsers that notifies you immediately of any issues. There was a deal like that some time ago, and someone called it Better Uptime, but that one has more features. But Better Uptime is only to show up if your site is up or down, and that one has more features like SSL, if it's safe or not, and you can also divide by organizations, and the deal works like that. If you buy more coins, you get more organizations. Organizations are like dashboards where you can add your monitors. So it's like dividing by branding of websites, etc. If you get more codes, you also get more users, more numbers of monitors, more status page. Status page is a page where you're gonna see all your monitors from the organization with the branding, and also if the site is down or up, if it's safe, what about the SSL, etc. So it's a monitors tool, okay, with all the whistles and bells, and you get more emails per month, so more notifications per month if you get more codes, and also SMS. SMS are available only for US and Canada, so you can get the notifications by SMS as well. Let's take a look at the tool. So here I'm on Better Uptime, and you can see here that we can add organizations clicking on that button. So I just created one, and I'm here on my organizations. Everything happens on the left, and here you can invite your team members. Just add their email, any message, and you can change the role, viewer or editor. Here you can add your monitors, and you can see that we have different kind of monitors: page speed, safe browsing, DNS, keywords, SSL, API, and port. So the uptime is if your site are down or not. So then we can click here, and how we're gonna add the uptime. Just add the name of your monitor and the website. The timeout. How long do we need to wait for response? Or it means to notify you, for instance, 5 seconds, and check the interval in the period of 5 minutes. Here you can select the kind of notification that you want, so they will notify you when your site is down. You can select email, SMS, select Telegram, Zapier, Discord, and so on. Webhook and PagerDuty. And here you can choose a monitor location. We have Brazil here, São Paulo. So from where we're gonna monitor your website, and then just click on save and see here that the monitor is created and the site is live. Okay, if you click here on the monitor, you see the robot here. The monitor is in process, is working. Report will start to appear within 24 hours. So you get reports as well. The timeout, status active. Then you get checking scenes, if it's live, how long it's live. Let's check it every 30 minutes. Embed the code of that uptime. Can you see here? You can embed that code on your website, for instance. So a lot of features. They have a port monitor. Monitor port is a port used to establish the connection between the monitor and computer in order to display the computer's outputs. This is what I think that this is for use. So here you add the monitor name and the IP address. So when you notify when the port is closed or open, and also you select the timeout. You can also monitor APIs. In here, you can check intervals of the API to see if the API is working correctly or not. You can also monitor the SSL to check if the SSL is working or not. Let's add the name, also the website, the timeout. And you can select how many days before you want to receive the notification before the expiration of the SSL. And you can check the interval, it's the period of control, notification the same. You can select many types of notifications and click on save. You can see here that the SSL of my website is live, and the same thing here. You get the dashboard where you can get all the info. And you can also monitor your keywords. The same way, add your monitor name, the website, and then you can add a maximum of 20 keywords. I have added 3 keywords here. You can add maximum 20 per monitor, and the tool will notify if the keyword exists or not. Just click on save. You can also monitor your DNS at the name and the domain. And the interval of the control notifications the same. They have also safe browsing monitors. Pretty simple, same process, adding the website and the period of control. You can see that it's everything okay on my website. I have no errors. And check when your SSL will expire, and also the paid speed monitor. Here's a little bit different. You can select the analysis strategy to mobile or desktop. So usually you're going to create 2 monitors, websites, performance score. Then you just select the kind of results you want to get. If you don't get that result, the tool will just notify you that you are losing speed on your website. And we can see here that I get the report of my website. Best practice 93%, SEO A3, PWA. I need to improve that part. Accessibility and performance 71%. So you get all your page speed results. To improve a little bit here. There's all the reports here. Best practice, SEO, etc. And also you get your status page. It's pretty simple to create. Just give it a title, a subdomain, your company name, company website URL, your support, and your email here. You can set up a custom domain for your status page. And then here, you're going to select your monitors, the ones that you want to add. And you click here. Also, you can add description, add the status here, history or not. You can also change the design, add your logo and favicon, and change the header template. They have also light and dark mode, and then you click on save. Pretty simple. You create a status page in seconds. Here's my status page, and you can see here that my website has 100% uptime. You can change to dark mode like that. Okay. Also, people can get in touch with you. So pretty simple. If you need an uptime monitoring tool, that one is perfect. They have many features. The one that I have is only for monitoring, but that one has much more features, much more kind of monitoring tool. I think it's the most complete monitoring tool on AppSumo by now. If you like that review, please click on the link in the description to help me to keep going. Bye-bye.